Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. Your liver works around the clock to filter toxins, support digestion, and balance hormones. But when it's overwhelmed, your entire body can start to break down. Today, I'm going to show you 5 hidden signs your liver may be in trouble and what you can do to support natural detox without extreme cleanses or supplements. Let's get into it. Number 1, unexplained fatigue. If you are constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep, your liver might not be processing toxins efficiently. A sluggish liver can lead to a buildup of waste in your blood, leaving you drained and foggy. Number 2, bloating or digestive issues. Your liver helps produce bile to digest fats. When it's not functioning properly, you may notice bloating, constipation, or even food intolerances. Many people think it's just their gut, when it's actually liver related. Number 3, skin changes like acne, rashes, and even dull or itchy skin can all be signs that something's up. When the liver is overburdened, toxins may try to escape through the skin, which, by the way, is the body's largest detox organ. Number 4, mood swings or brain fog. These can really throw you off, right? The liver actually regulates hormones and clears out excess estrogen and other chemicals. So if your liver is congested, it can affect your mood, memory, and your ability to focus. Studies show that impaired liver function is directly linked to changes in brain chemistry. Number 5, cravings for sugar or fried foods. Well, that's your body signaling it's out of balance. High sugar and high fat diets increase liver fat and inflammation, which honestly just fuel more cravings. It's a dangerous cycle, but hey, it's one you can break. So, how do you support your liver naturally? Not with harsh detox kits, but by reducing inflammation, removing dietary toxins, and nourishing your body with healing foods. In my book, Eat to Heal, I walk you through the ASTR diet, a doctor-designed anti-inflammatory plan that helps your liver recover and regenerate through whole, nutrient-dense foods. No gimmicks, just real, science-backed healing. And to help you get started, I'm offering a free health coach consultation. You'll get personalized guidance on how to implement the ASTR diet and restore your liver health naturally. Click the link below to grab your copy of Eat to Heal and claim your free consultation today.